Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing acrylic paint pour. This is my first time doing this. I actually don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna wing it. I'm starting off by pouring acrylic paint that I thinned. I made 3 different batches. One was black, one was white, and one was a copper color. You guys, I do not know what I was doing over here. I was trying to see something. It didn't work as planned. So I'm just gonna use the brush to spread the paint. I'm just making sure that the black paint is fully coated onto the canvas. You guys can't really see this, but this is the white paint that I thinned. I'm just gonna pour it down the middle of the canvas. I did make a little mistake with the paint. I accidentally poured it onto the black, but it's an easy fix. I'm just gonna get a little bit more black and dab it onto it. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour that copper color paint that I thinned over the white. On my left side, you guys, there's some paper towels that I cut up. I'm going to go ahead and spray that with water, just a tip. And I'm going to drag it from the middle of the white and copper paint. And this is pretty much all that I'm doing throughout the rest of this painting. So you guys, I'm a little bit upset because I recorded the rest of this video, but it did not save. But I was able to show you guys the finishing results. This is my end result. I did like the way it turned out. I'm actually real happy at how it looks for it being my first time doing this. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys later.